steering wheel and the seat moving back on its own? I'll tell you coming up. Hey guys, so basically the reason why the seat moved back and the steering wheel went up is because it's called easy entry, and so it means basically just that. So let's just say that you're kind of, it's hard for you to get into the car. What easy entry does is it's basically another profile, and what you can do is you can set the steering wheel and the seat however you want it. So basically usually you're going to set the steering wheel as high as you can and then put the seat back a bit. That way it's easier for you to get in and out. So basically all you need to do this is go up here to the top, and then, so what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to delete my easy entry profile. So delete that. And then, so this is basically going to be pretending it's you. So let's say you're, let's say you're driving here. So now it's back in my profile. And I go, okay, well now I want to make an easy entry profile so I can get out of it, or so I can, basically make it easier for me to get in and out of the car. Go up here, hit your name, go to driver profile, and then hit your name here, hit easy entry, and what it'll do is it'll ask you to set your steering wheel. So hit that button, and then you want to make sure the steering wheel is all the way up. Hit save. So now that's saved, and also you're going to want the seat to adjust back too. So just go ahead and down here to your low lever, push that back. As you can see, it's getting scooted back. Do that as far as you like, and then hit save as well. So now you have an easy entry profile. So if you look under my name, use easy entry. So it's set up to do easy entry once I get in and out of my car. So right now it's on easy entry. I'll put it back to my profile. So steering wheel just went down, the seat is coming up, and now I'm ready to drive. So let's pretend I'm driving around. So I'm going to put it in reverse real quick. Ignore the noises because the door is open. So I'm going to pretend I'm driving around, having a good old time. And then basically we get, to the parking lot. Okay, hit park, hit your stock park. Boom. There you go. Steering wheel went up. See it's going back. And now you're in easy entry. So that's basically it. So basically, like I said, the seat is up. The steering wheel is up now. The seat is way back. So it's way easier for me to get in and out of the car. And so as you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but the seat is pretty far back, and then the steering wheel is as high as it can go. So again, way easier to get in and out of the car. And so if you were ready to drive, you get in the car like this. Easy entry, hit your name for your profile. Seat's going up, and that's it. Now you're ready to drive. And so basically every time, if you have easy entry set, basically when you hit that, you're driving around in your profile, when you hit that park button on the stock, it'll automatically do the easy entry and move the seat back and put the steering wheel up. That's just how it works. So that's what easy entry is. And so yeah, makes it easier for you to get out of the car, like I said. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.